honorable ministers, excellencies, ambassadors, high-ranking officials, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we celebrate Europe Day and the founding of the European Union 70 years on this day. The seeds of the European Union were planted. It started small with 6 founding European countries who took the first steps that would ultimately become today's European Union, following gradual expansion with what we are today, 27 EU member states. Today, we are also celebrating the long-term EU-Somalia partnership, which is multifaceted, covering political, security, development and economic cooperation. I believe that Somalia's future is bright, thanks to its talented youth, especially girls and women.
It's a great honor to join you this evening as we commemorate Europe Day 2026. Allow me first, on behalf of the Federal Government and the people of Somalia, to extend warm congratulations to the European Union and its citizens. Europe Day is not only about celebration of history, it is a celebration of unity, cooperation, peace, and shared prosperity. The European Union has stood with Somalia during some of the most difficult periods in our modern history, from humanitarian response to state building, from peace support to institutional development.
ملايين كبدن